Hi, I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
Today, let's take a look at this huge, classic 5-room home here at 250 West 94th Street.
You can bring your architect or contractor to renovate this diamond in the rough.
Yes, this apartment has the best bones in the city, huge rooms and a great layout.
And it even easily converts to a 3-bedroom.
Divide this formal dining room, you have a great 3rd bedroom and a separate dining area too. That's right, divide the large formal dining room and you can redesign it with an entrance to be in the bedroom wing. Of course, with board approval.
You know what's really great here? The original floors are in excellent condition and the walls are still pretty crisp and neat. Since this was in the same family for so long, you don't have a zillion coats of paint and wear and tear on the floors. In fact, a lot of the floors were covered with wall-to-wall carpet. Here is a rare opportunity to add your personal touch and custom design the home of your dreams.
The Stanton name comes from Elizabeth Cady Stanton, the founder of America's women's suffrage movement, where she lived in a house on this very site and held meetings with her friend and protege, Susan B. Anthony, a forerunner of the equal rights movement.
The Stanton has an on-site resident manager, porters on staff, a landscaped roof deck, storage, laundry room, bike room, playroom, as well as a residence gym. Easy access to both Riverside and Central Parks, as well as Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, and is right around the corner from the subway. This prime location on the Upper West Side can't be beat, and it's pet-friendly too. Wow, Andrew, I am loving this roof deck for Stanton residents.
You know, it's the perfect place to think about all the options that 9D has in the redesign possibilities at 250 West 94th Street. I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.